Hi folks, here's the latest acquisition here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California. We have a 2014 Ultra Limited. This bike is beautiful. It's kept up very well. All the services have been performed. This bike is in excellent condition. Has a very reliable 103 motor, Screaming Eagle exhaust. Look at how clean this bike is. You wouldn't think that it's a 2014, but here it is. It's ready for touring. Loaded. Stereo, navigation, rear speakers. This bike's a beautiful bike. Come on down and give it a test drive.